In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Steam QR code on PC. If you want to sign in to Steam using your mobile device, the QR code option is one of the quickest and most convenient methods. The good news is that it's very easy to find once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get to it on your computer. Start by opening Steam on your PC. You can launch it from your desktop, your start menu, or wherever you normally access it. Once the Steam application opens, take a moment to check whether you're already signed in or not, because that determines what you'll do next. If Steam opens directly into your account and you're already logged in, you'll need to return to the login screen first. To do that, go to the top left corner of the Steam window, click on Steam, and then choose Change Account. This will bring you out of the current account view and take you back to the sign-in page. If you were already at the login screen when Steam opened, you can simply stay there and move on. Once you're on the login screen, look for the option that says Sign in with QR code. This is the feature Steam provides for quick authentication using the Steam mobile app. It's usually displayed as a clear sign-in option on the login page, so just scan the screen carefully if you don't notice it right away. After you select or locate Sign in with QR code, you'll see the QR code appear on the right side of the login window. That's the code you need. This is the Steam QR code used for signing in from your PC with the help of your mobile device. If the code doesn't appear immediately, make sure you're actually on the correct Steam login screen and not still inside an account page. In many cases, going back through Steam and selecting Change Account again will solve that. Also, give the app a second to fully load, especially if your computer or internet connection is a little slow. And that's it. To find the Steam QR code on PC, just open Steam, go to the login screen if needed, look for Sign in with QR code, and the code will appear on the right side of the window. Once you know where it is, it only takes a few seconds to access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.